Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are solving a string manipulation problem. Problem name is reverse only the vowels in a string. So we will go step by step through the logic, dry run an example, and then implement an efficient Python solution using the two-pointer technique. So before starting, make sure to hit like and subscribe to stay ahead in your interview preparation. Okay, so let's understand the problem first. You are given an string S and your task here is to reverse only the vowels in it while leaving all the characters in its place. Okay, so vowels include A, E, I, O, U, both uppercase and lowercase. Okay, so here is our example. Input string S is equal to ice cream, and output should be like we can say here that A appears at the last. So by reversing, A should be appearing at the very first, and appears in the first place, so it should appear in the last in place of A. And the E and E here are like same, so like this E will come to here, and this E will come to here. And similarly for the second, for the lead code here, we can see that first E is here, so it will go to last, and this last E will come to the first place. And similarly with E and O, they will exchange their place, so O will come to second vowel, and this E will come to the second last vowel. So that's it. Uh, as we can see here, all we are doing is reversing the positions of vowels while keeping all other characters untouched. So here we will use the classic two-pointer approach. We will start with the two pointers, one at the beginning and one at the end. That is one at the beginning left and one at the end right of the string. And then we will move those pointers inward. That means one pointer from here will move towards here, and one pointer from last will move to this here. Okay, and we will our pointer will move inward, and we will skip if the character is not a vowel, and if both are vowels we will swipe them. We will continue until the pointers meet or cross. And why is this efficient? It runs in on time and uses only big O of n space, because strings are immutable in Python, and we will use a list to make swipes. So let's write the code now. First of all, we have been given a function here that is reverse vowels, and it takes an input string s. So we will find out vowels in this, and that we can do is vowels is equal to set of A, E, I, O, U, and then A, E, I, O, U. So this is the vowel set, and we will check. We will make our like a string into a list. So we will make our string as a list, and that can be done as following. And now we will create two pointers left and right by defining 0 comma length of s minus 1. Okay, and now we will create a loop which will be like where we will check if left is less than right. That means they have not crossed or met each other till now. And now we will check s of left if s of left not in vowels left plus equal to 1. Okay, that means if s of left is not in vowels, that means the current character in the string is not a vowel, then we will move the pointer ahead. That means towards right. Okay, and similarly we will check for right elif s of right, it is not in vowels, then we will move the right towards left. So that can be done as right minus equal to 1. Okay, and now Now what we will do is that we will check else s of left comma s of right equal to s of right comma s of left. That means if any both of them are vowels, then we will swap them. That means the character at the left pointer will be assigned as a character at the right pointer, and character at the right pointer will be assigned as character at the left pointer. Okay, and that will define our logic here, that we will reverse vowels in a string, and we will update pointers also. So that can be done as left is equal to left plus 1, and similarly we will move the right pointer towards left. That can be done as right minus equal to 1, and at the end we will return our string. So that will be join us. Now let me try to run it and check if it works or not. As we can see here that our code passes the two test cases that have been given here. Now let's try run the output. As we can see here in our ice cream example, initial vowels are I, E, E, A, and after reversing, A will be the first one, and E will be the second one, and then E will be the second one, and I will be the last one. So final string will be S C R E I M. So that looks good, and we can see here that our complexity here is time complexity is O, big O of n, because we are only accessing the string n. Okay, and here n is the length of the string, and space complexity is also big O of n, because we are creating a list of size n. So that's a wrap, and in this video you have learned how to identify vowels in a string and reverse them using the two pointer technique. Drop a comment if you liked the video, or enjoyed the solution, and also if you want me to solve any other problem in upcoming videos, do not forget to comment it, and hit the subscribe button, and see you in next video.